What's the meaning of cowhide? Cowhide. Cowhide.
Cowhide. Cowhide. Cowhide refers to the natural skin or hide of a cow that has been removed and preserved for various uses, such as leather products like shoes, bags, and jackets. It is a durable material that can be tanned and treated to create a variety of textures and finishes. Cowhide is often preferred over other types of leather due to its strength and resistance to wear and tear. It can be utilized in a wide range of industries, from fashion to furniture, and is a valuable resource in many parts of the world.